Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to open Jaguar XF boot with a flat battery. Locate the manual release under the rear bumper or inside the boot access panel behind the rear seats and pull firmly. If access is through the cabin, fold the seat and reach the lever, then pull while a second person gently lifts the boot. If exposed metal contacts are present, avoid shorting them and wear gloves for safety. Start by folding the rear seat and locating the access panel to reach the emergency release. Pry the panel off gently with a flathead screwdriver to expose the lever, taking care not to damage plastic clips. Once exposed, have a helper lift the boot lid slightly while you pull the release lever firmly. If the lever feels stuck, wiggle it gently and inspect for frozen or corroded linkages before applying more force. If the manual release is inaccessible, consider safe alternatives like a portable battery packed to briefly power central locking and open the boot electrically. Avoid forcing tools through seals unless you understand door internals, as that may damage wiring or trim. A slim jim or reach tool requires experience to prevent harm. When in doubt, call roadside assistance to avoid expensive repairs or voiding warranty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.